You ever turn your key and your car just says nope? That moment right there, that's usually your starter. The starter is a small electric motor that wakes up your engine. When you turn the key, it spins the engine just enough to get it running. Hear clicking? Starter may be weak. You hear grinding? That's a bigger problem. Start sometimes, but not always? That's your warning sign. And if you ignore it, it will leave you stranded. At Recon Performance Solutions, we don't guess, we diagnose. If your car's not starting right, we'll test it properly, explain it clearly, and fix it the right way. Don't wait until you get stuck in the parking lot. Message us, call us, let's get you back on the road. But don't get it twisted. You get stuck in the parking lot, give us a call. We got you covered.